My experience with the Bambu Labs printers have been flawless, so I think you should get one too. I'll be explaining the pros and cons of each printer, non-AMS and with AMS, automatic material system. I'll be explaining what filament to buy and what you need for the build plate. So let's start with the build plate. If you have bad heating issues, then you should buy a microfiber towel and an invisible glass cleaner. If you need filament, you should go on to Bambu Handy. That's at the end of the video when you figure out how to buy it or get it. You can go onto my store and buy some filament. And now, let's start with the printers. If you have an interest in buying a printer, you should get either an A1 Mini or a P1S. The A1 Mini is a small device that prints practically anything you want, but it's limited because it has a small build plate about that big. The P1S is a big printer that isn't really limited, and it has a build plate of about that big. So the A1 Mini isn't enclosed, but the P1S is. Being enclosed is the best part of a printer. I'm scared. The printer being enclosed is the best part because if it's enclosed, it can have heat regulation. But if it's not, it has a higher chance of failing. Okay, now for the AMS version. The AMS is the automatic material system, and it can change between 4 colors, but it creates more waste. You can put 4 spools of filament in it, and it connects directly to the printer. It's very, very, very nice, and it's just an extra 100 or maybe even 200 to your printer. The cost for a Bambu Labs P1S standalone without the AMS is $350 to $399. With the AMS, it's $550. The A1 Mini was about $200 standalone. With the AMS, it'd be about $420. The pros and cons of the printers is that the A1 Mini has a touchscreen. That has a practically worthless but still functioning LCD screen. Both of them have 5 FPS ratings for their cameras of monitoring your print. If you want to bind it, you can quickly bind it with a pin access code after downloading Bambu Handy from App Store. And that's it. That's all you need to know.